Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Instagram login issue error in laptop. If you are trying to log in from your Chrome browser and are having problems, try the following. Within Chrome, we click on Customize and control Google Chrome, then we enter Settings. Next, click on Reset Settings and then on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Finally, we will click on Reset Settings to delete the values saved in the browser. After that, check if you still have problems with Instagram. If you still have problems logging in, we advise you to try logging in using another browser or installing the desktop app from the Microsoft Store. If you have problems with the desktop app to log in, we can try to repair it. To do this, we open the Installed Apps option from the Start menu. Here we will search for Instagram, then click on the 3 top points and choose Advanced Options. Here we will click on Terminate, and after that we can repair the application and even restore it if we need it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.